Yeah. So good morning to all. Yeah. Great welcome to today class. So as we were discussing about the problem to verify the Gauss law for a given problem, the one part of the problem we completed. For exam, I mean in exam you don't need to do both verification process. If you can even do the volume one side, that's enough. But if they ask verify the theorem, then you have to do both sides. Verify the theorem, you have to do both sides. So how many of you attempted? Let me know. Upender, did you attempt?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Upender, did you try it? I guess you tried it, right?
Yes, sir.
How many faces, how many surfaces are there?
6.
Six, very good. Yes, there are six surfaces, very good. How many volumes are there, Upender? I mean, anybody, other, Nagesh? How many volumes are there? Rakesh? Madhav Reddy? Madhu? Preeti? Suryateja? Saujanya? Srikant Yadav? Sandeep Reddy? How many volumes are there for a given one? Only one, right? Right? Yes, yes. To Muhammad, yes. Is only someone responded. Yeah, you can also respond. Yeah, Muhammad, yes, only one. Yes, correct. Shiva Reddy, yes. Yeah, there is only one volume for a given cube. But to verify the Gauss law, we need to know the surfaces. How many surfaces are there? You can give your response in the chat box. So six, as yes. Surgery, yes. So there are six, right? So, but it's kind of like a little tougher to verify each surface, right? So we'll try it. We'll try our level best. Okay. Hope I think I'll take the empty duplicate slide. Okay, I'll take off this. I'll take off, thank you. Maybe I can use this one. Okay. So what I can do, I'll go for the Zoom. I'll share the, where I can try to, right. Okay. So now it's time to, I want to you to pose the question. Can anyone write your question? Can anyone tell that? I'm gonna write it question. Please. What is the question we have?
F is equal to
Yes.
4x zi
For
x
yes.
zi
Yeah.
minus
Minus
y square j
y square j
minus yzk.
minus y z k. Yes. This is the problem they gave, which is again vector.
సార్
Yes.
సార్ అది లాస్ట్ వన్ మైనస్ వైజెడ్కే కదా సార్, ప్లస్ వైజెడ్కే ఉంది కదా క్వశ్చన్లో.
Okay. Plus
ఇంతకుముందు మీకు
unda.
మీకు ఇంతకుముందు పంపించిన దాంట్లో ప్లస్ ఉంది దాంట్లో.
Okay. But did you try volume? How much we got volume? We have to check it again. We have to check the volume. Let us change it. Oh, yeah. I didn't check that problem. I just okay. Okay. So yeah, this is the problem, right? Okay. Oh, why it's coming like this? Okay. Right. Yeah, we'll do this here. So the first part, I mean, I see, guys, we don't have a, this is the last question that I'm working on this chapter, and there will be exam Monday for 25 marks. There will be 10 questions into 2 marks. Questions should be multiple choice, but they have to do on the rough work, then you have to pick the answer. Okay. And coming to one long answer, you have to submit it. That is, it could be Gauss law or verification of Gauss law. So it could be like, direct Gauss law, Stokes law, Gauss, and this problem. So out of three, I'm going to give one. So you have to prepare well. One long answer that get a 5 marks, the remaining 10 into 2, 20 marks. Or I can make it, maybe, I'll divide it marks. Maybe I can keep this one is more marks, but you just prepare it. Okay. So you can add someone joined. Okay. So what I'm trying to do, go slow again. Let me, those who didn't attend yesterday, you can listen again. F dot, what is a surface integral? F dot n ds is equals to divergence f dv, right? So this is the problem we have it. Can we do on the whiteboard or this one? Which one is looks better for you? Which one is okay?
Okay, sir.
This is fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then so here LHS is there, RHS. Someone is waiting in the room, just to add them. Naveen Reddy. So now let us, first part is RHS, we can take it. So RHS is for that. So we have to calculate this F dot, sorry, divergence dot F dV. So here to prove this, what we need, we definitely go for the, first we have to calculate this. Divergence is the operator dot F. I'm going to write directly because I already explained it. So divergence is already know that. What is going to get here? Tell me. So I dot I. So I'm going to write again, if you wish, dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z dot 4x zi. You said plus, right, Upender? Z plus yz k. Okay. So what I'm going to get here is I dot I 1, right? I dot I 1, we're going to get
4Z.
dou by dou x, what is 4xz plus dou by dou I minus y square plus dou by dou z yz. So when I do this derivation, what I'm going to get? What I'm going to get, Nana? Because when you are doing this function 4xz with respect to with respect to x, I have to look here. So here I have a x. Okay, here I have a x. Here I have x. The remaining two things are constants. So I can write it as a 4z. 4z. So x, d by dx of with respect x, that is 1. And minus is there. Minus y square value is how much? 2y. Derivative is 2y. Because n, y, n minus 1. Here y is a constant. So derivative with respect to z is 1. So I got this value, but when I do this, 4z minus y, 4z minus 2y minus y, 2 play minus 2y plus y. I'm going to get 4z minus y. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what I'm going to get, I got it, I have to apply the integral divergence Vf dv. So I have to take this 4z 4z minus y dx dy dz. Then I have to apply three integrals also. D here volume integral. So volume means you should apply three times. So again, I am keeping two integral out. Doing. Did you try with different stuff? What I can do 4z minus y. Let us do with dx and keeping do I'm keeping a do. What I can do is I can apply the others later, dy dz. So when I apply the dx here, I don't have anything here, this is a constant. So 4zx and minus yx, right? So we are doing with respect to x, Nana. Here there is no x. So 4z as it is, any constant I told you, it's going to get x. Here also y is there. So I got yx. And 0 to 1 limit I have to apply. Still I have a dy dz. So x value I have to substitute here. When I substitute x value, I can get it actually 4z minus y, right? dy dz. Then what I have to do? Again I have to apply, I have to bring 1 into inside. So I can take dz out. Dz I'll keep it. Then I'll go for the 4z minus y into dy. Then what I am going to get, tell me. I'm going to write here integral dz. I'm gonna get here, here z is only there, 4zy, and y is there beta, minus y square by 2, y square. So is it clear now? So then y I completed, y 4zy, here y integral of y is equal to what I'm going to get, y square by 2. Why? Because power is 1 there. So y power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So you need to add 1 by 1. So just y square by 2 I got it. So now I got it, I have to apply 0 to 1 limit. So when I apply the 0 to 1, y 4z minus 1 by 2, because I just apply the y value 1. So dz. So when I do the integration with respect to z, I'm going to get finally 4 z square by 2 minus z by 2, right? Then 0 to 1. So how much I am going to get? Tell me. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So here when I substitute 1 here, limit 2 minus 1 by 2, I am going to get 3 by 2. Is it correct? Students?
Sir.
Upendar, is it correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we
3 by
have to
2.
get 3 by 2. It doesn't matter. You can take any combination. The answer should get 3 by 2. You can choose any combination, x, dx, dy, dz. Okay? Then we need to go for other. Then we need to go for the other one. Did you copy?
Yes, sir.
So please, okay. Don't talk, Nana. There are so many people are here.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes. Tell me, Nana. Please go ahead.
మ్యూట్లో పెట్టుకోండి సార్ ఆమె.
Voice, maybe I don't know. Can you speak loudly, please?
సార్ మ్యూట్లో ఉందా ఆమె?
You have to unmute and speak with me, Nana. Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yes? Yes, yes.
It's right. It's not time to ask now. Actually, you couldn't involve NCC, sir.
NCC?
మీరు మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు సార్, నన్ను మెన్షన్ చేస్తా అన్నారు కదా ఎన్సిసి.
Did you go and talk to him?
ఓ సార్, మీరు గ్రూప్లో చెప్తా అన్నారు కదా సార్ సార్కి.
సార్ ధనరాజ్ సార్ కాల్ చేసావా?
నెంబర్ లేదు సార్.
You call me later. After class, you call me and I'll give the Dhanraj sir number.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Sir is there in the group actually, but I'll also post in the group. So you can, those who are have interest, you can talk to him. I mean, you can call him.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Yeah. Any doubts?
నో సార్, కంటిన్యూ. సార్ కంటిన్యూ చేయండి.
చేస్తాను. Just I am posting that the Gauss theorem verification is complete, is going. I'm just posting it. People actually they have to look at the group. Gauss theorem verification is completed. I just posted. Okay, anyway, yeah, the other one, can I clear it or can I share that in a new whiteboard maybe?
Okay.
So I'll keep side as it is. That will be there. And then here maybe we can use this code. So now what happened? This is not yeah. So other part you have to think. So what is the other part actually? So we completed f dot. We need to do this actually. F dot n ds is equal to volume integral divergence. Admit them. Divergence f dv. So right side part we completed, right? So we need to do this and prove that 3 by 2 answer, right? How do we get it? To prove this, it's a kind of like surface integral f dot n ds. How do we prove this? This is a surface, right? But when you're doing this cube, I have to draw the cube first. Yes. So as you can see, this is the cube and this is the origin, right? So now I have to make different planes better. So I have to make, what are the, this plane represent? Okay. So there are different planes. The plane that I crossed, it is, what is that? Tell me. Can you, anybody know this about it? What is this plane indicates? I mean, I will be drawing another one. This one is actually, let us, we need six. We need six. So I am drawing different plane. If you know this, actually, it's much easier. So now I am drawing here one more is, so this one is, I can keep it here, right? I can keep this. Can anyone tell what is the x of this and what is the x of that? So whatever this plane, here I can write it as a x is equal to 1. Okay. Here x is equal to 0.
0.
These two things we need to, one of the surface I am talking about here. So limits, first, did you understand what I am trying to say? This is here, what is that? Can anyone understand this? So here, this plane indicates x is equal to 0. So we are doing, we need to find ds. What is ds is important. ds, finding ds itself a tough job. So we are dealing x here. So you have to go for dy, dz, right? Choosing dy, dz, we are drawing the x plane, this plane. These two are the, so what is this here? Tell me, yz planes, yz planes. YZ planes we are doing. Okay. Any doubts here? So YZ plane, this is the YZ plane I'm talking about here. So YZ plane, you're drawing here. So what is going on here is, this is Y, I can keep here Y, Z, X, X, Y, Z. Any issues? I mean, do you have, when I want to do this, I have to calculate n cap. What is n cap here? What is n cap here? Then my job is going to be easy. So in this case, this is completely, is it positive? This is negative, right? And this is going to be positive, I cap. And here it should be minus I cap. Okay. So if you understand this, I'm going to tell two of them, then you have to do the others. Okay. Surface 1 will do the one by one. It takes a long process. Don't worry. Don't, it's kind of like a, if you understand it, fine. You're going to do this again, MSc level also. Even mathematics final year, degree final year also, you're going to do this kind of problem. But even if you don't understand, they don't ask you to verify this question. I didn't see any time verify the Gauss law, but still it's better to understand, right? So now what I'm doing, I'm going to apply this guy first. So the surface, this surface, what I'm gonna do, f dot n, okay, f dot n, I'll find out. What is f dot n here? Tell me. dy dz. This I have to calculate. Okay, for this first surface, this I can say this is 1, this is 2. 1 I am doing, 1 is equal to 1 is equal to, I am doing that. Okay, so tell me f dot n how much? Tell me what is n value here? What is f value? Tell me. Upender,
Sir,
f value I forgot to write it.
value
Please. 4xz, right? 4xz
x I
I
minus
minus
y square
j plus z
z
y.
y k.
Okay,
Y
this is our f. N is actually you should take as a minus I. So tell me
my
now f dot product of these two. We're gonna get how much? We're gonna get. Tell me. Only I dot I, right? Remaining all zeros.
yes sir.
So I'm going to get. Minus 4xz dy dz, right?
Yes sir.
So then I have a two integrals I have to apply. Surface means. So first one I'll do 1. So with respect to z, I'll complete it. Then I'm going to, what I'm going to do. So limit to 0, I have to substitute after this. X is equal to 0, I have to substitute it. So this is for x is equal to 0. I'm doing. So when I do this integral, 4x z square by 2, then into dy, where x is equal to 0. When I substitute again, I have to do with respect to, when I substitute x is equal to 0, what I'm going to get? 0, right?
Yes sir.
So it doesn't matter even if I don't need to do again integration. So I1 I got already 0. One surface I got it all at 0. Then I can go for the next surface. Similarly, I have to do for the same thing, but it is I2, second surface. Or you can go for the second plane. Second plane also, all you can write it as same. Only except minus we can get same, right? Because n cap is what? Plus. Second one, how much n cap? I, right? So I have to use here only I. This is for second plane. Here it's along the x direction, right? So you should take positive I. So this is opposite to the x direction, which you took actually minus I. So here what I am going to get 4xz dy dz. So when I do the derivation, integration of this, I am going to get 4xz square by 2 dy, okay, at x is equal to 1. Here x is equal to 1. So I am going to get 4x, when you substitute here x equal to 1, 4, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2z square, then dy. What I am going to get here, tell me. I don't have any, this is z square y, right? Here I have to substitute when x is equal to 1, y also 1. For this plane, x1, y1, all this is 1, 1, right? Here 1 is there, here 1 is there, here 1 is there. All 1, 1 only. If you look at the graph, here 1, all are unit distance. I mean, sorry, here, sorry. All the unit distance from the origin. So then x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1. So I am going to get 2 here. Okay. So what I got it is second plane, I got it as a 2. Similarly, what you need to do? How many planes you have to do? Upender, can you try other planes? Do you want to try it? Because I have a class, another class.
Okay, sir. I will try.
I mean, the same method. You have to, I'll give the, if you want, I can give the diagrams. I mean, same, like one time you have to take J, the other time minus J. When
Okay.
you take J here,
Uh,
here what you gonna get? Dx,
dx dz
dz. When you take K here, you're gonna
dx
get
dy
dx, dy.
dy
One time plus J, the other time minus J. One time
minus
plus K, the other time minus K.
minus k.
So in this way, you get 6.
Okay,
Out
sir.
of 6, 3 becomes 0.
Yes, sir.
Remaining 3, when you add it, you're going to get 3 by 2. Okay?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Just try it. I think, one of you try and post in the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay,
So
sir.
this is your homework. And no more classes for tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, we'll take class on Monday. Directly exam. This is
Okay,
like
sir.
a unit break. Prepare well, complete it because 24 marks weightage. So don't waste time. Just revise all the concepts. After Monday, then next week we're gonna go for the next unit.
Okay, sir.
So have a happy Christmas to all.
Wish you same, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Let me stop sharing. Yeah. Did you submit attendance?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Textbook students, first you finish the whatever my notes. Definitely I'll post the textbook. Don't worry. There are so many textbooks are there. You can Google also. There are so many. I'll post. I'll even give the some uh, downloadbooks.com is there where you can find all the mechanics books. Attendance link I already I did. I think I posted. You can get it from the. Let me post again. I think they are joining. Final year students are joining now. It's so just give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, uh, Rajesh. Yes, I'm going. I think you can leave first. I mean, you guys can leave the group. So I'll be taking class for the final years.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Rana. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And dear final year, if you are here, please join back again. I'm closing now, class.